Okay, so here I am with another update video. I promised that tomorrow, which will be what day is it tomorrow? Tomorrow on the 14th, I'll be making a tutorial video of some kind, because I have quite a lot of time tomorrow afternoon. But for now, I'll be showing you what I've done with the spell book. So originally, it was a front page where it had all the spells you had ready to equip, and then you would have to go into element select, choose an element, go onto there, click on a button, and it was so tedious. So what I've decided to do is I've remade it so that the final page you would navigate to for your elements are actually all the front pages, and you click on these little color indicators. At the moment, that's what I've got, all the buttons on the side to go from, fire, water, earth, air, arcane, light, dark. It all works. I haven't made anything for these yet. But for fire, we got this here. So fire blast requires 1 point. So if you've got 1 point in the tree, you unlock the tier 1 spells, and I'll need to have some kind of visual way of showing that. So now you've got the tier 1 spells unlocked, and they cost 1 point. So I got 4 left up here, so I click on it, and now it's unlocked as it says there. So if you click on an unlock spell, it adds it to your bar, and then we've got fire, and then now that it's unlocked, you can go around, blah blah blah. If you ever want to equip Fire Blast in, you just come back and you click on it, and here it is. And I still have 3 points left, so if we want to go to ice, water, and Frostbolt is a tier 1 spell, so you need to put 1 point into water, and it's cost 1 point to unlock, and there it is, you got your Frostbolt now, which I still haven't made yet, but it works. It slows the enemy. As you can see, it's pretty slow there, and he speeds up again. I might need to tone down the damage because you can kite so easily with this, or increase some other thing. I don't know, maybe the cooldown. And one other thing is the reason why it might seem a bit tedious having to put a point into the tree and a point into the spell, but the reason is because when you unlock these other tiers, you don't want to have to put 4 points into a tree and have nothing happen. So as you can see, the damage on the Fire Blast is 22 to 27, but if I put my last remaining point into fire, it's now 24 to 30. It increases the tree strength in general. So if you want to spec into fire, you can unlock the fire abilities, and obviously there'll be more over here, maybe even multiple on a tier. And you putting points into the tree unlocks them, and whilst unlocking them, it strengthens the abilities. So if you go even into all trees, you'll have them all doing moderate damage, or you can put them all into one tree and then you'll have really strong from that tree. And I think that's how I want to have the system working. And there'll be reasons to go into all the different trees because they'll all have different utility spells you might want. And I'm not going to go through all the spells right now, but for example, in Arcane there'll be a lot of utility spells. So we obviously have teleport, and then there'll be spells. Let me just give me 1 second. I'm just finding here we go. So in Arcane, for example, you'll have teleport. Then there'll also be invisibility. There'll be a barrier. There'll be a time warp, which slows down the game speed for everyone else but you. I know how to do that for everyone, and I'm going to have to look up how to do it not for you. I guess it's a bit like the game Super Hot. I'll make sure to find it. I'll figure it out. For example, Earth will have abilities where you can bring up like rock from the ground or that kind of stuff. That's what I've decided to go for. Light, as you can probably guess, will have heals and shields. So all the different trees will have their own kind of benefits. Like they'll all have ways of dealing damage, and most have ways of healing. Fire obviously doesn't, but like dark can like drain life, light can heal, water has heals because it's kind of like that. The spells are probably going to change from what I have them planned as now. Maybe not a lot, but they're going to change probably a bit. But I hope it all works out well. And now I've got a system in place where I can just add more spells, and it should all work smoothly, hopefully. I might just quickly after this video go and finish off these trees so I have something there. I'll make 1 spell in all trees. I think that's my next plan. So I have 1 in each at least. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and next time maybe I'll have some more spells to show off. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.